Hello, I'm Renee, and in this video I'm bringing you another Valentine's Day nail art design inspired by flirty text emojis and Instagram likes, since these seem to be how we express our fondness for one another nowadays. I'm kidding. But anyway, I thought this would be a cute idea and I love how these turned out, so I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm starting with a light pink base color on my middle fingernail, and then a darker shade of pink on the rest of my nails. Then I'm taking a corally pink shade and I'm painting a heart in the middle of my middle fingernail. I repositioned my hand so that we could both see exactly what I'm doing. Once I have the heart painted exactly where I want it, I'm just going to outline it, make it a little bit thicker with that same pink shade, and then I'm going to take a red nail polish and just outline the heart. Now to complete this pattern, I'm just going to continue to create the heart shape using each of the three colors. So I'm going to leave a gap between the red and the darker pink shade until my nail is completely covered. Now I'm going to take that same red polish and I'm going to paint some lipstick marks all over my nail. And I'm starting with a C shape for the bottom lip and kind of an M shape for the top lip, as you can see. Kind of looks like a bikini. Is it just me? Anyway, I'm just going to paint these lips all over my nails. Until they look like this. Now it's time to paint our kissy face emoji. So I'm taking my yellow nail polish and I'm painting a circle right in the middle of my ring fingernail. Just filling that in. And then we're gonna do a little bit of contouring. So I'm taking this light orange shade, which I actually mixed with some of the yellow, to create some shadowing around our emoji's face. And then I'm going to take some white polish and create a little bit of highlight. And I'm just following the pattern that I see on the emoji when I look at a picture. Now, I didn't show this part, but I took a light gray shade and I just painted around the circle to create some depth and dimension. And I'm taking a black polish and I'm using my dotting pen to create the first eye on our emoji. And then I'm going back to my detail brush to paint a little tiny arch to make it look like he's winking. I gave him some eyebrows, and now I'm taking a brown shade and painting essentially what is a number 3 to give our emoji those puckered lips. And then I'm going back to my red polish to paint the tiny little heart on the side of his face. Then I just fill that in. And this is our kissy face emoji. And now for the ultimate expression of love. I'm painting the Instagram like bubble on my thumbnail. And I'm starting with my red polish, I'm painting a heart, and then I'm gonna paint a rectangle around that heart. It doesn't start off perfect, but once I fill it in, I'm just gonna reshape it and then take my dotting tool to perfect my heart. And this is what it looks like. And then going back to my detail brush to paint a tiny little triangle at the bottom. So it looks like a speech bubble. And that's it. I'm adding my glossy top coat to finish off this design, and this is it. You guys, I love this design. I think it's really cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you agree, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.